Work. See me have you work. You see me do me da. So me better work. See me have you work. See me do me work. See me have you work. You come on. You see me have you work.
What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the stacked jeans with a little bit of a twist. We're going to be doing two-toned color stacked jeans. So for this video, you're going to need some clothing tacks. You're going to need two sets of different colored thread. I use dark green and white. You're going to need a little tool to help you pull the seams apart, or you can use the scissors, which are also needed. And if you decide not to use the zipper in the pants, you can use string or laces. You're also going to need your two different colored pants. So the jeans I'm going to be using are from H&M. The green ones are a size 12 and the black ones are a size 10. You want to make sure that your jeans are the same size, but if one size is one size bigger, that's okay. So next you're going to get started on taking out the seams of the pants. So you're going to flip the jeans inside out and you're going to work on taking the zipper out first. Now I don't want to keep the zipper in my jeans since I'm going to be replacing it with some laces. So I'm going to be taking out both zippers out of both pairs of jeans completely and putting them to the side. So once you've got the zipper out of your jeans, you're going to want to work on the inner seam that goes from the front to the middle all the way up the back, and go ahead and loosen up those seams so that way you have two halves of the jeans. Once you've made it to the back of the jeans by the waistband, you're going to want to use the scissors to cut through the waistband to the side of the belt loop. Make sure you keep the belt loop just in case you want to wear a belt with these jeans, and then repeat the process to the other pair. Next, you're going to decide if you want to use the left or the right side of the jeans. I'm going to be using the left side as black and the right side as green. Next, you're going to want to use some tacks to help you secure both pairs of jeans together to help you stitch them. Once you've secured both halves of the jeans together, you're now ready to stitch them. So I'm going to be doing my stitching off camera with my sewing machine because this is the quickest for me, but you can definitely do this with hand stitches. You just want to make sure that your stitches are close together so that way you don't have any gaps. And after you've stitched them, they should look something like this. Next, we're going to be working on some patchwork for the jeans. So using the two halves that we have left over from the whole pair of jeans, we're going to be taking out the pockets of both pairs and we're going to be stitching them onto the new pair of jeans. You can use your little tool to help you take off the pockets, or you can use scissors. Next, we're going to be working on the stacked part of the jeans. So measure about where and how long you want your stacks to be and cut along the pair of pants that we kept to the side from the whole pair. Then layer them on top of the other side and cut to measure the same length. Now we're going to be working on putting the pockets on the backs of our jeans. So we're going to flip them. We're just going to put the green on the black and the black on the green. And you're going to align the pockets to your liking. You can tilt them, you can straighten them, or you can offset them. I decided to offset my pockets. Once you've got your pockets on to your liking, you're going to go ahead and use the white thread and you're going to stitch the pockets onto the back of the jeans. And you're going to repeat this process for both pockets. So now we're going to be working on the stacked part of the jeans. You're going to want to flip the stack inside out and you're going to want to line it up with the seam of the pant leg. And then you're going to want to fish the wide part of the leg from the stack up the leg of the regular pair of jeans. And you're going to line them up to make sure when you sew them together, they have a flawless seam at the bottom. Once you've lined them up, you're going to want to stitch the pant leg and the stack together right at the base of the seam. You want to get as close as you can so that way you'll have a flawless transition from the jeans to the stack. Follow this process all the way around, and once you get back to your starting point, you want to make a couple knots to secure it in place. Once you've done that, you want to make sure you repeat the process to the other side. Now we're going to be working on securing the front of the jeans. You want to use your scissors and your laces, and you're going to cut a couple holes up the front of the pants. Now you're going to use your little tool to help you make the holes just a little bit bigger so that way the laces can get through easier. And you're going to repeat this process to both sides of the jeans. You're going to stick it all the way through so that way both sides of the jeans have the same size holes. Now, taking your laces, you're going to lace up the front of your jeans the way you like it. I'm going to be doing the crisscross method, and I'm going to go all the way up to the top, and I'm going to tie a bow. And here's the final look.
Alright you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. If you enjoyed it, go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Turn on the post notifications so you guys know every time that I post. And go ahead and subscribe. This is the first time I've ever made a DIY clothing video, so hopefully we can keep doing this and make some new creations. Peace.